Happy New Year everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I create this aloe braid on my short natural hair. So if you're interested, then definitely keep on watching. So I started this style on freshly washed and conditioned hair. My hair has leave-in conditioner in it. I'm just going to go in with this argan oil so that my hair can be protected. I'm going to be slicking my hair down with the Gorilla Snot gel. The last time I used this gel, that was the very first time or so. I did it on stretch hair, but this time I'm going to be trying it on wet hair just to see how it works on my wet kinky hair. So because it is a slick down and it is a low slick down, I'm going to be parting my hair in 3 parts, in 3 sections, so that I'll be able to grab them and slick them down. They don't have to be perfectly slick, but we just want a decent look, So I'm just slicking my hair down very well so it doesn't get puffy. And the next thing I'm going to do is slick down my edges, do my edges, slick it down and tie it down with a scarf and move on to the next stage. So to create the aloe braid itself, I'm going to be using this lush braiding hair. I didn't bother removing the rubber band so I can use this to secure the hair on my hair. So I just braided the hair and secure it with the rubber band that came with it, and that's all I did. I would like you to watch this video very well because it is self-explanatory. Explaining it is very difficult for me, so just watch it. It's a simple and quick protective style that will last you a week, and it's a low maintenance and no manipulative style. So this is a very good protective style, like I said, and you can never go wrong with this. Very stylish and classic as well. That's all for the tutorial, guys. Thanks for coming back, and if you are new here, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like this video, share with your friend, and comment down below. The engagements help me out a lot. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.